To build a frame using the U-channel frame, we're going to take the desired dimension, which in this case is 4.5. To account for the corner pieces, we're going to subtract 1.5 inches from the dimension. So we're going to cut this piece at 3 inches. Next, you can cut the channel using a hacksaw, a bandsaw, table saw, multi-tool, really anything. It's just plastic. Next, just deburr the channel and make sure you deburr on the inside as well. You can use a file or sandpaper. And finally, you assemble the filter by sliding the media in place and snapping the frame together. Now you can brag to all your friends and family that you just made a filter. Apply gasketing to the back that's supplied in the kit to provide a better seal, or use as is.